Here I am standing in the driveway of 4070 L Bosque, and you've got a nice big front yard. It's right in the heart of the Del Monte Forest, and this is a house. It kind of reminds me of an Eichler design, and this is a really nice neighborhood. I just got through visiting a friend of mine who's an executive for Apple, and he just lives down the street. And this is your living area. You've got a big mirror there. You've got all these windows here. Fireplace. Let's go this way as we walk in here. This is, I guess, could be a bedroom or a den, because here's your closet. Yeah. And that's the entrance where you came in. Beam ceiling. And walk in the hallway. And here is another carpeted bedroom. It faces the front. Nice. Closet there. Forced air heating. There's your vent. And you have a bathroom here, which is shower over tub. And here you have bedroom here. I don't know if this is supposed to be staged. You got a closet in here and cedar lined. And closet. And hardwood floors here. And another kind of little seating area or den out here. And we come through this way. And there's another bathroom here. So this is bathroom number 2. And another shower over tub. Okay. And we come into, what is this? This is interesting. I'm not seeing, this must be a second. I'm not seeing any place for, I'm not seeing a stove. I'm seeing a refrigerator here. Is this a guest unit? Because you've got, this is different. Going up this door, when you've got this outdoor enclosed area. It was like a sun porch, if you will. This is hardwood deck. And then you have the kind of the plastic roofing material. So this is a place where you can come out here and I guess enjoy the afternoon sun. Here's the back end of the property. Oh boy. It's a great big tree, isn't it? Big birch tree. So you got probably a quarter of an acre out here. Nice big patio area about back. So this is like a little separate guest unit back here, I think. Well, let's walk back in. Okay. So if we turn the lights on. Wow, there's a lot of house here. Okay, now let's go. We're going into the other side of the house. And we walk in to our kitchen. So this is like a small kitchen area. Got such a room there. I guess you could, and it's older and dated. You could break that out and enlarge that. A little breakfast nook area. We walk through here. And this is interesting. It's another little area. It has a little refrigerator, microwave. So we've got kind of a seating area to your kitchen. That's a bit strange. And we walk in here. This is a little nook for an office. I guess you have a little desk here, light overhead, and closet back in here. Well, that's interesting. It is very interesting. Here's the door going out to the back. Yeah, you want to open this up. Probably open it and make these two rooms your new kitchen.